Your AI coding agent wastes half its context rereading your whole repo just to find where things are. LangChain just shipped a fix. It's called OpenWiki, an open-source CLI that writes a real queryable wiki for your codebase, built specifically for agents, and then keeps it up to date from your Git history automatically. It hit 7,000 stars in about 2 weeks. There's one feature that makes the whole thing hands-off, and I'll get to it. First, let's look at it on your phone. Let's set it up properly. OpenWiki comes from LangChain, the team behind the LangChain framework and LangSmith, and it does one focused job. It writes and maintains documentation for your codebase, specifically so AI coding agents can read it. It's a command-line tool, it's open source under the MIT license, and it's written in TypeScript. You point it at a repo, and it produces a structured wiki that an agent can search for exactly the context it needs, instead of you dumping your entire project into one enormous instructions file and hoping the model finds the relevant bit. Think of it as giving your agent a card catalog for your codebase, rather than making it read every book on every shelf each time it needs one fact. To get why this matters, look at how agents get context today. The two common approaches both break down. One giant agents or CLAUDE file gets huge, burns your context window, and still misses things. And handwritten docs, they're stale the moment you write them, because nobody updates a wiki after every commit. So your agent is either drowning in irrelevant text or reading documentation that describes code that no longer exists. OpenWiki's answer is a living wiki that's generated from the code itself and kept current, small, structured, and searchable. Getting started is 2 commands. You install it globally from npm, then run init. On that first run, OpenWiki walks you through picking an inference provider, dropping in an API key, and choosing a model. Then it scans the repository and writes your documentation into an OpenWiki folder. That's it. You've gone from an undocumented repo to a structured, agent-ready wiki in a single pass. No manual writing involved. And your configuration and keys get saved to a .openwiki folder in your home directory, so you set the provider up once and never touch it again. Here's the tool itself. OpenWiki runs as an interactive CLI. You can see it's configured with a provider and model, with optional LangSmith tracing turned on, so you can watch exactly what it did on each run. And it stays open after it finishes, so you can just talk to it. Ask it to document a specific module, rework a section, or explain what it can do. When you want a one-shot answer instead, the print flag runs a single command and exits. It's the same interface a person and an agent both drive. Now the feature I promised, the one that makes this actually stick. Most documentation dies because keeping it current is manual work nobody does. OpenWiki removes the human from that loop. It checks which commits landed since its last run, reads the Git diffs to understand what actually changed, and updates only the affected pages. So instead of a wiki that's accurate for one glorious afternoon and then rots, you get one that tracks your code as it evolves. The docs become a byproduct of committing, not a chore, and you don't even have to remember to run it. OpenWiki ships CI workflows for GitHub Actions and GitLab, so updating the docs becomes part of your pipeline. Drop this file into your workflows folder, and on every push to main, it installs OpenWiki, runs an update, and opens a pull request with the refreshed documentation for you to review and merge. Your wiki maintains itself, and every change to it is a normal, reviewable PR. No magic, no surprises. A wiki is only useful if your agent reads it, and OpenWiki handles that too. On setup, it automatically appends instructions to your AGENTS.md and CLAUDE.md files, creating them if they don't exist, telling your coding agent to consult the OpenWiki docs whenever it's searching for context. So the next time your agent needs to know where the auth middleware lives, it checks the wiki and gets a precise pointer, instead of grepping your whole tree and guessing. That closes the loop. OpenWiki writes the docs, keeps them current, and makes sure the agent is actually pointed at them. You don't have to remember to do any of it. It's also refreshingly unopinionated about which model does the writing. OpenWiki works with 6 inference setups out of the box: OpenRouter, Fireworks, Baseten, OpenAI, an OpenAI-compatible endpoint, and Anthropic, with a few strong defaults pre-configured, like GLM 5.2, Kimi K2.6, and Sonnet 5. And for any provider, you can plug in your own custom model ID. Pair that with optional LangSmith tracing, and you can see, and tune, exactly how your docs get generated. And people clearly wanted this. OpenWiki lives under the official LangChain organization on GitHub. It's MIT licensed and written in TypeScript, and it blew past 7,000 stars in roughly 2 weeks, fast enough to land on GitHub's trending page. That's not just hype. Agent context is one of the biggest unsolved pain points in AI-assisted coding right now, and a focused, open tool from LangChain that tackles it head-on was always going to get attention. Here's the quick scorecard. Over 7,400 GitHub stars in about 2 weeks since launch. 6 inference providers supported out of the box. 1 npm command to install, 1 command to generate a whole wiki. And $0. It's free and MIT licensed. For a tool that removes a real daily friction from agent-assisted coding, that's a very easy yes to at least try. Let's be fair about the trade-offs. OpenWiki itself is free and open source, but it drives a model to write your docs, so you'll pay your provider for the tokens each run uses. Cheap for a small repo, more for a giant one. It's also young, at version 0, so expect rough edges and rapid change, but those are minor next to what you get. Automatic, always current, agent-readable docs for a couple of commands and a config file. LangChain introduced OpenWiki on their blog with the full rationale and setup walkthrough, and it links straight to the GitHub repo, the CLI docs, and the example CI workflows. It's the fastest way to see whether it fits your stack before you install it. Here's the announcement and everything it covers. That's OpenWiki, LangChain's open source CLI that writes a queryable wiki for your codebase, keeps it current from your Git history, and wires it into the files your agent already reads. It's free, MIT licensed, and on GitHub right now, so it costs you nothing but a couple of minutes to try on a repo you already have. If this was useful, drop a like and subscribe to Prism Labs for more hands-on AI dev tooling. I'll see you in the next one.